Okay, you can see how much trouble Drigitz is having walking. This is very common with sciatic cases. She's trying to brace herself, her hips stuck out to the left, her shoulders to the right. When she turns around, you'll see her head's kind of sat out to the right too. The head's not over her sacrum at all.
Pain started yesterday morning.
Yesterday? Because you're all twisted, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's happened?
I don't know. It's nothing much. I was on Monday, alright, not bad. Just a little bit pain in the back. I said, oh, that was, it'll be alright. And then yesterday morning when I get up, I can't even walk. It's pulling me down on this side.
Turn around this way. Like, exactly like that.
Alright.
Yeah. You can't get that leg straight, can you? If you if you straighten your leg, it hurts here and pulls down there.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, well, slowly sit down for me.
Took me half an hour till I dressed myself this morning.
This sciatic pain, it's terrible pain, isn't it?
Yeah. And I was driving myself for 1.5 hours here.
1.5 hours to get here.
Yeah.
You've definitely got some nerve pressure there.
That one is so too.
Still there?
Oh, that is more painful.
Yeah, that's the problem. What about there?
Oh, that one is too. Oh. That one is bad.
That's the problem.
That's the one.
That's the problem. So I want you to stand up if you can. That's it. Alright, good. I'm going to try and adjust it very quickly.
Alright.
So it doesn't hurt you.
Yeah, alright. It's nothing more hurts than now.
Exactly. Okay, so the important thing is we don't twist you up too much. That's sore in there, isn't it?
Yeah. That one too, very bad.
Yeah.
Oh, and that one. All of them.
That's the problem there.
Yeah. That's because maybe we're all sitting and everything in the car, it was everywhere.
Yeah. That's the problem there, it's okay, just let that leg relax out there. Right. Okay, I'm just going to gently put this leg up here because I don't want to put too much pressure on you.
Oh.
I'll roll you over a little bit to keep your whole body straight. It's alright like that?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah. Alright. Just a little push here and then we'll get it done. Excellent. Very good.
You think so we'll be alright?
Come up slowly, yeah. We might need to adjust that again. Just get your balance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Well, you got up easy. And just have a walk out to that door again.
It's a little bit better, yeah.
A little bit better?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Still is something it's pulling, but it's not that bad like it was before.
Good. What I want you to do then is
Yeah.
I want you to go for a walk all the way down the hall and back again.
Yeah, alright.
That looks much better. Now you're straight again.
Yeah.
Your body's straight.
Before was, oh my God, it's pulling me on that side.
Yeah.
And when I sit in the car this morning, I can't get in the car. When I sit in the car, I put my jumper around here to fix myself and drive like this.
Yeah.
It was so bad.
Do a little experiment. I want you to sit down. This is a good test for you. See how you can sit down by yourself?
Yeah.
Now try and stand up without using your hands. Just, yeah, that's great.
Yeah, just a little bit sober.
Yeah.
That's be alright. I think so.
That'll be alright now.
Yeah.
Oh, you're really walking well now.